Invoices. You can find Invoice in Site, Site Settings, and then the Invoice tab. By enabling Invoice settings, your students will be able to download an invoice for their purchases. Once you enable Download Invoice, the student can download their invoices on their purchase. Decide whether you wish to enable Download Invoice or not on your site. You can test this as a student to see the result. If you're testing as a student, go to the top right as the student, go to My Account, click in Billing, scroll down, find your billing history, and you'll see that you have the ability to download an invoice.